everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I've been training real estate agents now since 2001. Here's the list of the courses that I teach. Here's where I've taught since 2001. It's been all over the United States, all over Canada. And these classes that I teach, they are lead generation focused. Agents who attend these classes are not only going to gain CE credit, but they're also going to learn how to lead generate for their business. And this is a workshop environment. This is what I call tell, show, do. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Then we're actually going to go out and do it. Now, the great news for Fort Worth area real estate offices, I have partnered with Fair Texas Title to bring my training to the DFW area. Clint Blackwell has been a great partner in that. We want to make sure that you understand you have a huge opportunity to bring this type of training to your brokerage, to your agents, to candidates who are thinking about joining your brokerage. This is going to be a huge opportunity to create some massive buzz in your office about this type of training. Would love to speak with you further about this. Reach out to myself at michaeltritthart.com. Reach out to Clint. We'll set up a time to talk, go through all the details, and make sure that we're able to bring this to your agents. Thanks.